All right, y'all, I'm going to do this really quick. It's something a little different, but we're still on this rational expressions, rationals unit, and we have a test on Friday. I don't think that's going to change, okay? So we'll learn something today.
It's not the same, man.
And then something tomorrow. We'll see what's going on. All right, perform the following operations expressed in simplest form. Look at that. It's multiplying two rationals. You see, there's one on the left, one on the right, and it's multiplying the two. Okay, so simplest form is what we need to do. So if you recall, move your feet, sir. Thank you, no problem. Let's just, factoring is always very, very important. So I'm going to rewrite the top factored, and I'm just going to jump into that. I'm not going to show the whole factoring process because we're way past that, yo. So, yeah, that was set for Friday, but we got to move on now.
So when's our test?
Thursday. So we factored Friday, I said? Yeah. So factor the left, and then on the right, factor it as well. But the top is as good as it will be. And then on the bottom, factored is this. All right, so let's keep moving. So let's look at that left factor. Is there anything we can cancel on the top and bottom?
Yeah.
Yes, x minus 1. And look at the right factor. Anything cancels? No. So what's next?
You're next.
Yeah. I think he was just saying his buys, Jeremiah.
Huh?
I think he was just saying his buys, hi, bye. I'm not going to be around to Ms. Sanchez. All right, so what's next? Okay. Well, just know this rule. Like, if you're multiplying two rationals, you can rewrite it like this. X plus 9 times 4x squared. And on the bottom, what's left? X minus 1, x plus 9. You can just rewrite it together as one rational. It's like that multiply does almost nothing to it. It's just two rationals become one. Just rewrite it with the tops together and the bottoms together, boom. Okay, now, is there anything to cancel? Yes, x plus 9 on the top and bottom. So what's left? 4x squared. And on the bottom, x minus 8. So that's it. All we had to do was simplify, simplify, simplify. And just understand that if it's multiplying, there's nothing really happening. You just combine the tops together, boom, boom. Combine the bottoms together, boom, boom. And how do we really, really know that? Because like if you just take fractions, 1/2 times, yikes, 4/3. You can make that one fraction. The top times the top is 4. Bottom times bottom 6. And then simplify 2/3. Essentially, that's what's happening with rational functions with variables in x, just putting the tops together by multiplying.
Yeah.
Exactly. So very simple. So the bottom, perform the following operation, express the simplest form. So again, before you combine it, I would say factor each individually. So the left fraction, x minus 5 on the top. The bottom one, I think that's a GCF situation. Two terms. What pulls out from both? I think it's x cubed. So we're left with x minus 2 in the parentheses. So rewriting both separately but factored. The top is x plus 2, x minus 2, and on the bottom, x minus 5, x plus 2. So now it's time to cancel stuff out. And now you could combine it together or look at them separately. Either way, yeah, let me just combine together right now before I cancel stuff out. On the top, we have x minus 5, x plus 2, x minus 2. On the bottom, we have x cubed, x minus 2, x minus 5, x plus 2. Boom. So unlike the first example, I combined it before I started crossing. See? So let's do it. What cancels out? X minus 5 does for sure. X plus 2 cancels out. Whoa, almost everything. So what is left? There's nothing on the top. Well, nothing is, well, not nothing. There's just 1 on the top. And the bottom, everything disappears except x cubed. Wow, I like that. So that whole expression up top simplifies down to 1 over x cubed. Boom. It's all about factoring and crossing out the tops and bottoms.
We just do 5 questions, right?
Just do 5 because that's all we kind of had time for, and we're good.